Quraysh was counting the damage and they were counting their losses, and from amongst that they noticed that Hamza was one of the strongest of the lot. So they decided that, you know what, the next war that takes place, we will make sure that we mark Hamza himself. He needs to go. If he is there, they're going to win all the time. So what did they do in the battle of Uhud? The daughter of Utbah, her name was Hind bint Utbah. She was the wife of Abu Sufyan. She had a slave. His name was Washi. Washi was a man from Africa. They called him in, they spoke to him. He was known as a very good archer, and he could throw spears and he could aim and he never would miss his target. So they called him in, they said, if you get Hamza with one throw, we will free you. Now he didn't want to engage in any killing or fighting, but he wanted his own freedom. So they took him in the battle of Uhud. And it did happen that when they watched Hamza ibn Abdul Muttalib radiallahu anhu in that battle of Uhud once again, and the Muslimin were doing so well, Washi says that I looked at Hamza and I knew that I don't want to kill this man. His face was glowing. He was looking so blessed. But he says, I wanted my freedom on one hand and I was not a believer. I hardly knew what Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was calling towards. And he says, I threw that spear of mine and Hamza ibn Abdul Muttalib was martyred. Radiyallahu anhu. And Wahshi says, from that minute, as I was free, as in a free man, no longer a slave, but I was made captive of the devil. From that particular moment, I could not sleep, and I did not sleep for years after that.